It's not scared of Wrigley, I guess.
I hear you, Tiffy now. Rick seems to be kind of scared.
I don't want Riggs to get like his eyes scratched out and me go scare it away.